good, everybody? It is Sunday. Happy Sunday to y'all. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. Today we got a package. Amazon just dropped it off. It's outside as I'm peeking outside, but we're about to scoop it up, and you guys seen by the thumbnail, you know what it is. So make sure you're taking care of the boys. So here is our Amazon package. They dropped it and dipped. They didn't even ring the doorbell. Anyways, don't mind me parking on my lawn. But speaking of lawn, this package right here will make sure that your lawn is always cleaned up, and we'll get to that. Stay tuned.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Without further ado, let's dive into this box here. Amazon Prime. I think it took 3 days to get here on Amazon Prime, and they delivered on a Sunday, which a lot of places don't do. But let's go and open this up and unbox these bad boys here. See what accessories they come with. See what type of box and packaging we got. But here is the Ballz trimmer, Tpob Ballz. Tpob, you got the charging dock there, as you can see. On the side, you got the Tpob branding, of course. We got the cartoon iconic to the brand right there with every clipper. If you don't follow the meme page, go to the Antisocial Barber Club and you can see all the different cartoon memes that Tpob has. More Tpob branding. I'm gonna get all this plastic off and then we'll dive into what we got inside the package. So there we go. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what type of packaging we have on the inside. The cartoon artwork goes all the way around the box. You can see different things on there. Very, very professional packaging and branding, of course. And with Tpob, it only continues to get better and better. So y'all just continue to stay on the lookout, but I'm gonna go ahead and put the trimmer aside and see what we got underneath before we actually look at the trimmer. So we got a charging cord and a charging dock. So this is the base, and you can plug this into USB-C right into the back, and this can just sit on your countertop, you know, in the bathroom, wherever you need to put it. So we're gonna go ahead and set that down. You got the oil, of course, you got oil, and you have your user manual, like everything, like every trimmer comes with, every clipper comes with. Shows you how to take care of your trimmer, how to charge it, and all those different things. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside, and that is hilarious. Comfortable experience. You can't ask for more from a trimmer like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and look at the trimmer now and show you that. So here is the Tpob Ballz trimmer. It's got a ceramic cutting blade. It's got a type of curvature on it, so you can easily use it in a scooping motion to get those hard to reach areas. It's very ergonomic, as you can tell here. It has like a matte color finish on this side, and then also you can feel some ridges and grooves. The power button is right on the middle. You have an LED indicator light here at the bottom. Tpob on the back. It does come with one guard. I think this is a guard. Yeah, I'm gonna pop this off here, and that is your guard, your guide. You don't need much guards, I'm assuming, for this type of service for yourself. But there's the blade right there, and this guard just helps you to not cut yourself or injure yourself. But on here, you can adjust it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 different clicks. The guard will extend 2 clicks out, and that'll give you enough space to either have your hair longer or shorter. So just overall, very ergonomic trimmer. Go ahead and turn it on now so you guys can see what it sounds like. So there it is. You got the green LED, and then on the top here, I don't know if y'all can see this, it's got a flashlight. So you know, the shower could be dark, or wherever you're trimming stuff could be a little dim, and you're gonna need that light to go see them hard to reach areas. So that is a dope addition to the trimmer. Excited to use these, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about them. But there they are, the Tpob Ballz. So let's get up to use and let y'all see how I feel about that. So we got our Ballz trimmers here, and I thought, what better place to do it than at the barbershop. We are all barbers, majority that are watching this, and I just want to show you how it works under the hood, and then also do some clients as well. So not that, we're gonna do the clients' faces and see what that chop's like. But the perfect lighting and everything, it's the perfect setup. So we're gonna go get to it and show you guys how these operate under the hood. Let's get to work. These are slicing nice, super smooth, nice. The ergonomic shape just makes everything so much better. It doesn't get too close, it's not biting, the blade is perfect. And you can see it's just slicing through this hair. You know, these are great trimmers for those sensitive areas, like I said, so make sure you guys go out and cop this. I gotta say, I'm thoroughly impressed with these bad boys here. They chop really good. They're very smooth, like it says. Like, I have nothing bad to say about how they operate. We'll let you guys see what we put on the floor here. Good bit of hair on the floor here. These work very well, like I said. Look, guys, you gotta be taking care of yourself. The summer months, it's very hot. Hair is a natural soaker of sweat, and sweat will make you stink. So make sure you taking care of yourself. But let's get some beard trims done, and see how they operate with that. All right, so we manscaped with these bad boys right here, and now we're gonna see what it does for the guideline here on my boy. Hey, check these out. Oh. Yeah, bro, I trimmed up earlier with these.
Oh man, I love it.
You wanna smell them? No, I'm playing.
I can smell that ball deodorant too.
So it gets pretty close. These aren't bad, even for neck hair. So any hair that you need to trim up with these, they're gonna be doing perfectly fine and give you a nice smooth cut. Like I said, it's got the ceramic blade on there, so you don't bite yourself. Not bad. Oh yeah. Now we're gonna line up my boy's mustache here. Let's see if we can get a good edge. Is it biting? No?
Nope.
Hey man, thank you for not judging me and using these after we trim myself up with it, bro.
I love the smell of an undercarriage in the morning. An undercarriage.
There it is, guys, the Tpob Ballz trimmer, the sensitive area shaver. There is the actual tool like we just showed you guys there. Try to get this thing to focus. Here we go. It's trying to focus on something else. There it is. One of my favorite things about this trimmer would have to be this LED light right here. This LED light is super dope. Really crazy how they included that on a shaver, but the shaver is also waterproof, if I haven't mentioned. Just overall great tool. You see how it slices up, you see what it does. I highly suggest you go cop this product if you are in the market for a men's groomer. It is $24.99 on Amazon. I'll leave the link below so you guys go check that out. Other than that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn your post notifications. Till next time, God bless.